Have you ever wondered how our ancestors first charted the unknown expanses of our globe? It all began with the dawn of geographical exploration, a time when curiosity and observation were the only tools humans had to understand their world. Let's journey back to the ancient Egyptian era. Imagine standing on the banks of the mighty Nile River, a lifeline in the desert landscape. The Nile was more than just a river. It was a roadmap, a calendar, and a provider of sustenance. Using primitive tools and their keen observations, the ancient Egyptians began to map this river, marking the changing seasons and the fertile lands that it nourished. This was one of humanity's earliest attempts at geographical exploration, a quest to understand their immediate surroundings. Now let's cross the Mediterranean Sea and visit the intellectual powerhouse of the ancient world, Greece. Here we encounter a seismic shift in geographical understanding. The Greeks weren't just interested in their local surroundings. They wanted to understand the whole world. They developed the concept of latitude and longitude, creating an invisible grid that enveloped the globe. This grid, which we still use today, allowed them to precisely locate any place on Earth. They observed, they questioned, and they theorized, pushing the boundaries of geographical knowledge. These early explorers didn't have satellite images or GPS technology. They didn't even have a complete map of the world. What they had was an insatiable curiosity, a desire to understand their place in the world. They looked at the stars, the rivers, the mountains, and the seas, and began to piece together a picture of the world. These early explorers laid the groundwork for all future geographical exploration, proving that curiosity is the first step towards discovery. They taught us that geography is not just about places, it's about understanding the relationship between humans and their environment, about decoding the complex patterns of the natural world. Their legacy lives on in every map, every satellite image, and every geographical discovery we make today. Their journey of exploration continues, and so does ours. As human knowledge expanded, so did our determination to uncover the world's secrets. The age of discovery, spanning the 15th to 17th centuries, stands as a testament to this relentless pursuit of understanding and exploration. During this epoch, the world as we knew it was irrevocably changed as courageous explorers set sail into the unknown, driven by curiosity and the promise of new lands, wealth, and opportunities. One of the key figures of this era was Christopher Columbus. In 1492, he embarked on a daring voyage guided by stars and rudimentary maps and discovered a world previously unknown to Europeans. This new world, as it came to be known, was none other than the Americas, a vast and diverse continent that forever altered the course of human history. But the thirst for discovery didn't end there. About 2 decades later, Ferdinand Magellan, a name synonymous with bold exploration, undertook a daunting mission. He aimed to circumnavigate the globe, and despite facing insurmountable odds, his expedition achieved this monumental feat. The voyage underscored the fact that our world was indeed a sphere, a concept that was still contested in some quarters at the time, and confirmed the full extent of the Pacific Ocean. Speaking of the Pacific Ocean, let's not forget Captain James Cook. His contributions to the age of discovery were invaluable. In the late 18th century, he meticulously charted the Pacific Ocean's waters, making contact with numerous indigenous peoples and opening up new regions for further exploration. His detailed maps and observations laid the groundwork for future explorations and scientific studies. The Age of Discovery was a pivotal period in human history. It was a time of bold exploration and profound revelations. The world was no longer a mystery to be feared, but a wonder to be explored. These daring explorers pushed the boundaries of the known world, forever altering our perception of the planet. With the advent of new technologies and scientific methods, the study of geography entered a new era. The 19th and 20th centuries were a time of rapid technological advancement, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the world and enabling more precise and comprehensive geographical studies. Imagine a world where the depths of the ocean were unknown, where the topography of the seafloor was as mysterious as the dark side of the moon. That was our world until the late 19th century. But then, the mapping of the ocean floor began. With the invention of sonar technology, geographers could, for the first time, create detailed maps of underwater landscapes, revealing underwater mountains, valleys, and the deepest trenches of the oceans. In the early 20th century, another breakthrough came with the use of aerial photography and cartography. Balloons and later airplanes were used to capture images from above, providing a perspective that had previously been impossible to achieve. This bird's-eye view revolutionized our understanding of the Earth's surface, allowing for more accurate maps and a better understanding of natural phenomena. As we moved into the latter half of the 20th century, the advent of satellite imagery took geographical exploration to new heights. Literally. With satellites, we could observe our planet from space, gaining a global perspective and tracking changes over time. Satellites could see beyond the visible spectrum, enabling the study of Earth's surface heat, vegetation, and even atmospheric conditions. These advancements in technology and methodology transformed the study of geography. They provided us with tools to explore, understand, and appreciate the intricacies of our planet. With each new discovery, we gained a deeper understanding of the world we inhabit, its processes, patterns, and the complex interplay of natural and human-made systems. These advancements have allowed us to see our world in ways our ancestors could only dream of. The birth of modern geography has not only changed how we see the Earth, but it has also profoundly impacted how we interact with it, shaping our decisions and strategies in everything from urban planning to environmental conservation. As we look to the future, the quest for geographical knowledge continues to push us towards new frontiers. The potential for future geographical discoveries is vast and thrilling. The exploration of the ocean's deepest trenches, for instance, is a journey that we have barely begun. These underwater realms, some plunging 7 miles beneath the surface, remain largely unexplored. As we delve into these abysses, we may uncover new species, geological formations, and even clues about our planet's history. Meanwhile, we're not just looking downwards. Our eyes are also set on the cosmos, where the possibility of mapping other planets stirs the imagination. Mars, Venus, and even the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn could hold geographical marvels beyond our wildest dreams. As our space technologies advance, so too does our ability to survey and understand these extraterrestrial landscapes. But how will we make these future discoveries? Enter the transformative power of technology. Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, are already revolutionizing the way we study and understand the world. By collecting and analyzing geographical data, GIS allows us to visualize complex landscapes in new and innovative ways. From predicting natural disasters to tracking the spread of diseases, the applications of GIS are as varied as they are impactful. In tandem with GIS, remote sensing is another game-changing technology. By using satellites and drones, we can monitor and map the Earth's surface with unprecedented precision. From tracking deforestation in the Amazon to observing polar ice melt in real time, remote sensing gives us a bird's-eye view of our changing planet. Beyond these, we are also seeing the rise of virtual and augmented reality technologies. These could allow us to virtually transport ourselves to any location, providing immersive, hands-on geographical learning experiences. As we continue to explore, who knows what new geographical wonders await us? The future of geographical exploration is a tantalizing prospect, filled with uncharted territories, groundbreaking technologies, and the promise of discoveries that could change our understanding of the world, and indeed, the universe. From the earliest maps to the latest satellite imagery, the story of geographical exploration is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. Embarking on this journey through time, we've revisited the dawn of geographical exploration. The earliest humans, armed with nothing more than their observations and primitive tools, started charting the world around them. They created the first maps, etching out the contours of their known world, setting the stage for centuries of exploration to follow. We then navigated through the age of discovery, a transformative era that upended our understanding of the world. Pioneers like Christopher Columbus and Vasco da Gama sailed into the unknown, their voyages leading to the discovery of new continents. These bold explorations rewrote the maps, expanding our horizons and ushering in an age of global interconnectivity. The birth of modern geography marked another significant milestone in our journey. This era saw the advent of scientific methodologies and technologies that revolutionized our understanding of the planet. The works of geographers like Alexander von Humboldt and Carl Ritter laid the foundations for disciplines like physical geography and geomorphology, enriching our knowledge of the Earth's landscapes and physical processes. Peering into the future, we glimpsed the exciting prospects for geographical exploration. The advent of satellite technology and digital mapping tools has opened up new avenues for discovery. These advancements are not just enhancing our understanding of the Earth, but also equipping us to explore beyond our planet into the vast expanses of the universe. As we continue to push the boundaries of geographical knowledge, one thing is certain: the spirit of exploration is a fundamental part of who we are as a species. This journey through the annals of geographical exploration reaffirms our innate curiosity and resolve to understand our world. Each discovery, each leap forward, is a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge. This journey is far from over. As long as there are frontiers to explore, we will continue to chart the uncharted, to discover the undiscovered, to understand the misunderstood. For the spirit of exploration is not just about finding new lands, but also about understanding ourselves and the world we inhabit.